So you want a man to chase you. Well, in this video, I will share with you 3 ways how to get a man to chase you, and not only to chase you, but to see you as his dream girl. Therefore, you won't even have to make him chase you, as he will do it happily with his own free will. My name is Greta Bereisaite. I'm dating and relationship coach for women for the awesome high-value relationship advice that has been tested by thousands of women. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos so you don't miss out on the precious high-value women secrets. And if you would like to hear from the high-value women themselves, does my advice actually work? Please follow the link right here. But just before I share with you 3 ways on how to get a man to chase you and see you as his dream girl, take my free test, Are You a Woman of High Value or Low Value, which you can find in the video description down below. How to get a man to chase you? Number 1. Be nice, sweet, and well-mannered, with a personality, of course. Yet, do not chase and do not pursue. And because you will give this light-hearted, happy, good energy, he will be happy to come after you. Ladies, I see a lot of you act standoffish and rude and expect a man to chase you like crazy. Why would a self-respecting man do that? A man who knows his own value will not chase a woman who is arrogant, is picking on him, and is just pure disrespectful. Or if you're being too easy by chasing him, what is the point for him to chase you back? I mean, you are doing all the work. You're making him into a king here. So he will just sit, chill, and watch you jump when he pleases. As in, what is the point to do all the work and charm you when all the work is done for you? Ladies, have a look at my video how to be seductive in a feminine way, which I will link it right here and I will drop it down in my video description below. The second way how to get a man to chase you is by focusing on you. Ladies, when I say put yourself first, I do not mean be arrogant and rude. That is not being a queen. That's actually being a narcissist. A queen is well-mannered, focused on her kingdom. She's fair and considerate. When I say put yourself first, I mean focus on your goals. Create a beautiful life for yourself so you can experience the beauty of life by not being dependent on a guy. This is how you can truly enjoy it, by being independent. When you do that, the man is automatically admiring you and coming after you as he sees you as a challenge and not a desperate woman looking for a man to make her happy, provide for her, or love her. That is a baggage. That's not high value. Ladies, how to be a challenge for a man, please watch my video right here, and I will also drop it down in my video description below. The third way how to get a man to chase you is by standing up for yourself. If you are in a situation that he is influencing you in a way that is bad for you, or he is putting you or your family down in one way or another, this is where you need to stand up for yourself and others. Always stand up for your beliefs, for your likes, for your family and friends. You might have an argument, or he might even try and punish you for it, but standing up for yourself, for your values, and your family or friends will make him respect you more. Even if after you stood up for yourself, he gives you a power game by going no contact on you, to see will you give in, will you put away your self-respect and will chase him in order to please him, as you are too scared to lose him. Don't do that. After you stood up for yourself, this is where you hold your head high and let him come to you. This behavior not only make him chase you, but will also make him respect, value, and admire you, as you are not trying to please him by putting your family down also, and are behaving in a high value, respectful way. So ladies, these are my free tips how to make a man to chase you. Take my free test, are you a woman of high value or low value, which you will find in my video description box below. If you would post your results after taking that test in my comments, that would be really awesome. And if you would like to know how to stay attractive over text, what is the correct way to text a man to keep him interested and fall for you, I have a texting video for sale, which is one of my best videos that I have ever made, and you will find that video in my description box below. So my queens, if you liked my video, please press like. Let me know in the comments what did you think. Don't be selfish and share it with the ladies who need it. Join Greta's High Value Women School, where we are all in the same boat, learning how to be women of high value and bring out the best in our men. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is private. It's called Ladies Relationship Coach. And for one-on-one or group coaching, please book me through my website, which is called ladiesrelationshipcoach.com, and get in touch with me over WhatsApp, as that is where I coach. Thank you so much for watching, my queens. Kisses from London. Mwah.